In this video, I'm going to cut some cloth and make these cloth pieces, these cloth panels, and they're about 5 inches wide, as you can see on the measuring tape from a distance there. And from top to bottom, they're about 9 or 10 inches long. And what I'm going to be doing, not in this movie, in the next video, is I will be using those cut pieces, those cut squares of cloth, to learn how to make a straight stitch and a top stitch and a felled seam and a French seam and different kinds of stitching pieces together. My intention, the first piece that I will make will be a zippered pencil case, small storage bag type thing. It's going to have a 7 or 8 inch zipper in it, so I'll get some experience learning how to put a zipper on. So that's where I'm going to pick up in the video after this one. In this video, I spend about 15 or 16 minutes showing you how I cut the cloth with the rotary cutter, and I do use the scissors to cut the cloth as well a little bit. But it's a pretty slow video. I am very new at sewing and cutting cloth, and I am learning the basics both on the cutting table and on my Singer heavy duty sewing machine, the new one that I bought just about a week ago. So if you're looking to see how I use the rotary cutter and get the panels cut, that's what you're going to see in this video. And I hope this is helpful to you. And so we'll see you at the end of the movie. Good old Jebb back here with you. And what I'm doing is I'm about to cut some cloth. I found a project. I'm going to make kind of like a little bag, a pencil case sort of bag with a zipper. But before I get that far along, that far advanced, I have to learn how to cut cloth. So what I've got is a double layer of 100% cotton that I got up in the garment district up on Saint-Hubert in the Quartier des Vêtements in Montreal. So what I'm going to do is use this rolling cutter, or whatever you call it, to cut 4 inches off, right like that. So it'll be 4 inches wide. I'll have 2 layers, and then I'll make them maybe like, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches. I'm trying to come up with about 10 or 12, probably 10, 8 to 10 of these cloths, and I'm going to use them to learn how to stitch, like do a straight stitch and then a felled seam or a top seam and all that stuff. So I found a couple of YouTube channels where they teach that sort of thing. So that's what I'm about to do. And it's pretty exciting because I've never done anything like this before, because I'm really new at doing this. I don't have any experience at all, actually. This is probably my second or third time in my life trying to cut with the rolling razor blade. But anyway, I'm gonna just make a mark up here with the blade right here on the 20-inch mark. And all I'm going to do is bare the blade, and I'm kind of eyeballing it up, and whoopsie daisy, I moved the cloth, and I think I'm pretty much close there. So all I'm doing is cutting a, I don't know if that worked as well as I was hoping for. Maybe not, but it's right there. I think it walks like that. So let me try that again. Okay, so I want to be right around there. So I've got some kind of a mark there. And then I'll go down here to 20 inches down here, and that one's easy to see because it's right there. So that's done there. And now I want to get a line to go like that from there to there. I'll put one in the middle here for now. There. There, I think I stayed true. I hope I did. Let me try that again. I'll just go very whoopsie daisy. So I climbed up onto the ruler. I can hear it cutting through the cloth, through the fibers. It's more difficult than I thought. It's taking a lot more pressure than I thought. Especially along here. Let's take a break. Okay, so we're not through yet. Okay, I'm back with you again. And still working away on separating this cloth. Okay, we got some there. Let me see what I can do here. Really careful and slowly. And again. Yeah. And we got a little issue down here in a couple of spots. Got one here. Good. What are we doing? A little more here. And it's certainly not uniform quality. Okay. Now let me just trim off the top so we can end up with a square piece of cloth. What do I do now? Okay, so all I gotta do now is get this piece off up here. Got it? We got it. Cool. We'll retract that blade. There, that's safe. We'll see what we got now. Let's see if I can cut that with the scissors. Okay. I'm not sure if you got a good view on that yet, but I'm going to start at the bottom. Okay, let me get back on the same page here. And I'm keeping in mind that let's put the scissors on and then make one solid cut. The less cuts there are, the less trimming there is. There. Let me see what I got now. So there, I got that. But that's too long, so that's gonna have to be cut. So I'll fold that on the existing fold already. And there as well. So what I'm gonna do now is cut it. Actually, what I'm going to do is see if I can cut it with this again. Let me try this one. I got two of them. Let me get my ruler. And guess we'll make it 20 inches. I mean 4 inches. Very good. And then all I'll do snip that bit off there. So there's two. Now that's on 20, so I'll go to 16. Which is right there. And there. Okay, I'm pretty lined up on the 16 there. There. Now, same thing again. So it's interesting, you know, getting used to the sounds and the feel of the knife cutting through the cloth. So there's 4 of them there. And so I'm on 22, so I need to go to 18 inches to get to 4. So that's there. Cool. Now I'll do another 4 right here from 18 to 14 while I'm still here, kind of lined up. You can trim the ends off after. This is the first pass. Take it back for the second. There's another one. And how wide is this one? It is 16 to, so I'll just leave that one as it is. And I'll trim this edge up right now. Cool. And I'll do this one. And I think this is the last pair. Last set. So there, I learned how to do a little bit of measure and cut. And I safely used the scissors and the rolling razor. I'm going to get over to the sewing machine and get set up there and start making some stitches on the pieces we just cut. Okay, like I said, here we are. They're cut and they're ready for the next video. And starting out in the next video, I will be doing first a straight stitch and then a felled seam or top stitch seam or whatever. So yes, I'm learning the very basics, and that'll be coming up in the next video as well. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful to you, or a good review here for you, whatever the case may be. And please do check back in again. I hope that you have fun with your machines and your cloth. Stay safe, have fun. See you soon. Adios, amigos.